Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying, where we help you find the best gear without breaking the bank. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mountain bike options that deliver performance, durability, and value for every kind of rider. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Altruism H6 mountain bike. The Altruism H6 mountain bike is designed to offer an exceptional riding experience for both adults and teens, combining performance, durability, and style. Its full suspension frame and 26-inch wheels make it highly capable of handling rugged trails, absorbing shocks, and delivering a smooth ride across various terrains. Whether navigating city streets or tackling off-road paths, the bike provides comfort and stability that enhance every journey. Equipped with a professional Shimano 21-speed gear system, the Altruism H6 allows for precise and effortless shifting. Riders can easily adapt to inclines, descents, and varying trail conditions, making it suitable for both urban commuting and outdoor adventures. The Shimano gearing ensures that every ride is efficient, responsive, and enjoyable, even on challenging routes. Safety is a priority with the inclusion of front and rear disc brakes. These brakes provide reliable stopping power, responding quickly in wet or emergency situations. The braking system enhances rider confidence, ensuring secure control whether riding solo, with family, or in mixed conditions. Built with a high-strength steel frame, the Altruism H6 is durable and resistant to impact, able to withstand daily wear and minor collisions. Its sturdy construction supports riders of different ages and sizes, offering a long-lasting cycling companion. The bike also combines practicality with aesthetic appeal. Its classic mountain bike design merges the benefits of road and off-road features, including strong tire grip for diverse surfaces. Lightweight and easy to assemble, the Altruism H6 is ideal for beginner riders seeking a reliable, versatile, and stylish mountain bike that performs well across multiple environments. This versatile MTB provides an accessible entry point for cycling enthusiasts while delivering quality and functionality that meet the demands of everyday use and adventurous excursions. Coming in at number 4, the Hiland mountain bike. The Hiland mountain bike is designed to deliver a seamless riding experience for both men and women who enjoy exploring trails and tackling challenging terrains. Built with a durable aluminum frame, this mountain bike offers a perfect balance of strength and lightweight maneuverability, making it suitable for long rides and rugged conditions alike. Its 26-inch wheels provide excellent stability and traction, allowing riders to navigate through uneven paths, dirt trails, or city streets with confidence. Equipped with a Shimano 21-speed drivetrain, the Hiland mountain bike ensures smooth and precise gear shifting. Whether climbing steep hills or cruising on flat surfaces, riders can effortlessly adjust their speed and maintain optimal control over their ride. This wide range of gears allows for adaptability in different terrains and riding styles, accommodating both casual riders and more experienced cyclists. The bike also features a reliable disc brake system, enhancing safety and performance by providing strong stopping power in various weather conditions. With responsive braking, riders can confidently descend slopes or make quick stops without compromising stability. The thoughtful combination of a robust frame, versatile drivetrain, and effective braking system makes this bike an ideal choice for those looking to enjoy both recreational and performance-focused cycling. With its sleek design and practical features, the Hiland mountain bike caters to a wide audience, offering an enjoyable and dependable cycling experience. Its versatility, durability, and advanced components make it a standout option for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable mountain bike for daily rides, weekend adventures, or off-road exploration. This mountain bike embodies a blend of performance, comfort, and style, making every ride a smooth and enjoyable journey. At number 3, we have the Joystar mountain bike. The bikes feature a range of drivetrain options to suit different skill levels and preferences. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, paired with a Shimano rear derailleur, offers smooth and precise gear shifting, allowing riders to tackle varying terrain effortlessly. For simpler riding experiences, the single-speed version provides straightforward, easy-to-use gearing, ideal for beginners. The intuitive twist-shift system on the 7-speed models helps kids change gears easily while learning how to manage different riding conditions. Sizes and styles vary to accommodate children of different ages and heights. The 24-inch models, including both single-speed and 7-speed versions, combine comfort, traction, and manageable handling. A bright red 24-inch single-speed bike provides a simple and fun option, while the 24-inch 7-speed Lubbock bike delivers more versatility for slightly older or more experienced riders. For younger children, the 20-inch white bike comes with a 7-speed setup, high-10 steel handlebar and fork, and a 30mm stem, offering maximum steering performance and ease of control. With a thoughtful balance of design, durability, and functionality, Joystar mountain bikes are crafted to provide a safe, exciting, and enjoyable riding experience for kids learning to ride or exploring new adventures. Next up at number 2 is the Ecarpat mountain bike. The Ecarpat mountain bike is designed for riders seeking durability, comfort, and performance on challenging terrains. Built with a robust C160mm thick carbon steel frame, this bike offers exceptional sturdiness and security, ensuring that it can handle rough trails and demanding rides with ease. The frame's strength provides riders with confidence, whether navigating rocky paths, steep inclines, or uneven surfaces. Equipped with advanced braking technology, the Ecarpat mountain bike delivers faster and safer stopping power. Its superior braking system enhances control in all weather conditions, significantly shortening braking distances. This feature not only improves safety, but also reduces tire wear and extends the life of brake pads, offering long-term reliability for regular use. The bike features full suspension, which is essential for a smooth and comfortable riding experience. The suspension system absorbs shocks from bumps and rough surfaces, allowing riders to maintain better control and stability over varying terrains. This makes longer rides more enjoyable and less tiring, whether on rugged mountain trails or urban paths with occasional obstacles. Designed specifically as a mountain bike, the Ecarpat combines a durable frame, efficient braking system, and full suspension to provide a reliable and enjoyable cycling experience. Its thoughtful engineering focuses on rider comfort, safety, and performance, making it a versatile choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking to explore trails, hills, and off-road adventures. With the Ecarpat mountain bike, riders can experience a seamless blend of strength, stability, and control on every journey. Finally, at number 1, we have the Hiland mountain bike. The Hiland mountain bike is designed for those who want to combine fitness, fun, and functionality in every ride. Emphasizing a lifestyle that integrates creativity and technology, this bike encourages green travel and promotes a healthier, more active life. Its design balances aesthetics and durability, offering a visually appealing yet sturdy frame built for everyday use and adventurous trails alike. One of the standout features of the Hiland mountain bike is its lockout suspension fork. This allows riders to choose when to engage the suspension. Locking it saves energy on smooth uphill or flat terrain, while unlocking it ensures a smooth and controlled ride on rough or uneven surfaces. This adaptability makes the bike versatile and efficient across different riding conditions. The 3x7-speed drivetrain with a 21-speed derailleur delivers precise and fast gear changes whether ascending or descending hills. The combination of a 7-speed flywheel and smaller wheel gear optimizes the pedaling experience, allowing riders to achieve higher speeds with less effort. This gearing system is designed to make both casual and challenging rides enjoyable and efficient. Comfort is prioritized with a wide, thickened seat that is non-slip and breathable. The seat absorbs shocks from uneven roads, reducing fatigue and ensuring a longer, more enjoyable ride. Whether navigating city streets or mountain trails, the seating design enhances stability and comfort for riders of all levels. With its blend of innovative features, durability, and ergonomic design, the Hiland mountain bike offers an experience that transforms everyday cycling into a healthier, more engaging, and enjoyable journey. It's more than just a bike, it's a companion for an active lifestyle. Ready to hit the trails with confidence? Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart gear picks and honest reviews.